Hey, welcome to Smokey Barbecue. Today we're going to do pig shots, which is sausage wrapped in bacon. We're going to stuff it with a cream cheese mix that we're going to use a smoked cream cheese, some 4-cheese Mexican cheese, and we're going to put a couple of rubs in there today. So y'all watch what we got going. We'll get this thing started. We'll see you in a second. Okay, we got things set up right here. I'm going to show you what we're going to do to put the pig shots together. What we're going to do is we're just going to cut our sausage. Well, we got a little bit of Earl Campbell sausage here. I'm going to do it kind of a cheat way. I'm going to cut 2 at a time. And I've been watching everybody cut these in 1/2 inch. Well, it just takes out of what you need for your stuffing. So we're going to cut them in there at about 1/4 inch is what we're going to cut them at. And get these, that'll get us kind of what we need right there. And really you only need a piece of bacon for each one. So we're going to take just a regular thick cut bacon and we're going to cut it straight in half. Okay, we got our bacon cut. What we're going to do right now is we're going to take a piece of bacon, thick cut bacon, we're going to wrap it around. And I've watched people do this that hold them, but if you leave it on the table itself, put it right there, run you a toothpick all the way through it so it'll hold it, and that's going to make you a little cup. We'll put that off to the side. We'll get us another one right here, just show you kind of how easy it is to run it around. Put it right there, get you a slab right there and run it through. Okay, we'll get the rest of these done. We'll see you in a few minutes. Okay, we're going to take our cream cheese, and we smoked our cream cheese, and I've been doing this on a lot of stuff lately, and if you'll smoke this cream cheese, and go check out my video with the cream cheese on it, you'll find out a lot of good stuff. So we're going to put the cream cheese in there. We're going to come in with about a handful, 1/2 cup. We're using a 4-cheese on there, Mexican 4-cheese. We're going to come in with a little bit of the Killer Hog Hot Rub Barbecue, and I'm going to put about that much. I think that's a tablespoon. We're going to come in with the honey barbecue from Meat Church. Turn it over here. We're going to put that in. We're going to go on with about another tablespoon. Then we're just going to come in. We're going to mix it up. Okay, we've got it good and mixed up now. Now what we're going to do is we got right over here is a little ice cream dipper. We'll take this, set these back over here. We'll just a little dip out of the ice cream, slide it in there, push it in there, use your fingers, doesn't matter. We're just going to fill them up to the top. Okay, we'll get the rest of these done and we'll be back in a few minutes. Okay, we've got all the pig shots, we got them stuffed here. I'm going to come on just at the end. I'm going to put a little bit of this hot barbecue rub just to sprinkle across the top to give it a little bit of color as they cook. And we're going to go put these on the smoker probably for about, I'm going to say another 90 minutes. All we got to do is get that bacon done because everything else in there is ready to go. So we're going to take them from here. We'll see you at the smoker. We're out there at the smoker. We're running on Oklahoma Joe this afternoon. We're running about 250. We're going to put them on a smoker for 250, right around an hour and a half, 2 hours. We're going to check them at an hour and a half, and we'll come back and look at them from there. So let's get them on the smoker. Well, it smells good. Cooking on pecan this afternoon. Put them on the smoker right there. We'll have them ready in just a little while. See you shortly. Woo! Been a great day of filming here today at Smokey Barbecue. Right now we're finishing up our pig shots. They just come off the smoker. They'd be like eating lava if you just took a bite right now, but we're going to reach in and take one of these off and put it over here on the, ooh, they are warm. Put it over here. Be sure to take your toothpick out before you bite into one of them, but we're going to go ahead and cut into this one. Got the inside of that, got the cheese, got the sausage, got the bacon. That pecan smoke is the bomb. That is the best You can't get any better than that. Hey, y'all be sure and go on and like and subscribe. And make a comment whether you like what I do or whether you don't. Make a comment, let us know what we can do better or what we can help you with. Also, hit that little bell so when we make a video, you hear that ding, 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 and it'll get you with the notification that you need to come back and see us. Y'all come back and see us now, here.